Are you tired of not knowing where to find the best stock advice and market trends? You're not alone. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by all the information out there, but don't worry. I'm here to help you find the best financial news websites that give you the latest stock insights and market trends, okay? I did my research, you could do yours, or you could just go to where I'm telling you to go. Now look, it's not financial advice, this video. It's for educational purposes only. So I know you're probably feeling like, there's so much information out there, but how do you know what's right for you, okay? I've got some amazing websites to share. It's going to help you stay up to date. It's going to help you stay informed. So imagine knowing exactly where to go for real-time stock news, understanding market trends, and making smarter decisions with your money. It sounds great, right? So some of the best websites for stock insights include Bloomberg, okay, CNBC, Yahoo Finance. Okay, these sites provide detailed reports, expert opinions, and breaking news to keep you in the loop. I also recommend checking out MarketWatch for deep dives into trends and predictions. Okay, you're gonna love that one. Take control of your financial future. Okay, start exploring these sites today. Don't miss out on the chance to make better decisions. And if you found this little video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.